Yamaha MT-10. Oil change. First, warm up the engine for a few minutes to make it easier to drain the oil. We are using Yamaha MT-10 W40 and a genuine oil filter. Switch off the bike. Remove the oil filler cap before loosening the drain plug. Be careful as the exhaust and oil will be hot. Make sure your oil collector is in place before removing the drain plug. Let the majority of the oil drain, then remove the oil filter. A piece of cardboard will help avoid getting oil over your exhaust when you remove the oil filter. Add a small amount of oil to the oil filter seal and fit. Do not over-tighten the filter. Refit the sump drain plug with a new washer and tighten to the correct torque. Fill the engine with new oil to the correct level. Remember, the bike has to be level and upright to check. Run the engine and recheck the level as well as for any leaks. Top up if necessary before disposing of your old oil and filter responsibly. Thanks for watching.